Welcome back. In the last session, we spoke and discussed about what is MongoDB, introduction, and what structure stores the data. We will now, and we also discussed about pros and cons. So, alright. So now we are going to install MongoDB Community Edition on Windows. So let's get started. So we need to install install MongoDB using MSI exec.exe. So just click that link there and it should be downloading it. Some things. Here we have the downloads 4.4.4 Windows MSI download. It's about 218 megabytes. Once again, 218 megabytes, and double click it. We have the setup wizard started. Accept the terms. Next. All program features will be installed. Go for complete. Run as a service. As a network service user, or run as a local or domain user. But anyway, in both the cases, it will be MongoDB service name. Directory name will be, in both cases, will be again data at this location, log directory at this location. Alright, that should be good. But if you want to try run service as local or domain, then you have to specify the domain name, account password. Alright, so let's do it as. So go for run service as local or domain user, because if we say network service user, then it will use the Windows credentials and it will take the whatever the domain this machine is on, and also the account name and password will be taken from Windows. So going with MongoDB, second option, basically as a service, but then not as a network service, but local or domain user, because network service will take the Windows user ID and password, but I would like to prefer something independent of it. So go for, in that case, go for account admin dot, don't change this one, and we do not, right? So, and then account name will be MongoDB and password will be something of your choice. And okay, and MongoDB service name, username is also MongoDB. Alright, next. The domain or username and or password are incorrect. Remember to use dot for the domain if the account is on local machine. Let's go with the run service as network service user, and we'll not have to deal with this run service as network service user, so that we can do our POC. Next, and it says MongoDB Compass is official graphical user interface for MongoDB. Next, so remember the Compass. It's a UI for MongoDB. Alright, installation is in progress. Hit yes. Installing MongoDB Compass. This may take a few minutes. This is UI again, MongoDB UI. It's kind of a UI console. Alright, this is installed now. Installation is complete for MongoDB 4.4.4 64-bit. Alright, it is 64-bit only. There is no 32-bit version. So MongoDB Compass is also installed. So once again, it is MongoDB community server and not the enterprise server. But community server serves the most of the purposes, like it offers querying, indexing, real-time aggregation, document model, access and analyze your data, or built-in replication, failover, along with horizontal scalability and native sharding. Sharding is like is related to scalability. Alright, but we have more versions like Ops Manager. These three versions are the only ones, but these are like Kubernetes operator. Those are different things we will not be covering in this session. Okay. Here we can see MongoDB Compass. It's just performance charts, real-time server statistics, let you view key server metrics and database operations, drill down into database operations easily and understand your most active collections, hottest collections, slowest operations, read and write how it is going. Queued writes are in red. Network, this is how the network is acting. Memory, alright, mostly stable, but mapped, resident, V size. Alright, that sounds good, right? So MongoDB Compass is, yeah. Alright, just a quick skimming through it. Visualize your schema. MongoDB Compass analyzes your documents and displays its rich structures within your collections through an intuitive GUI. It allows you to quickly visualize and explore your schema to understand the frequency, types, and ranges of fields in your dataset. As you can see, the query, it's in the form of JSON, right? And apply. Then we are getting some graphs here. Hover over as type to see its percentage value and so on. Alright, build geo queries, like we can select a particular country, and I believe this area, I don't know, orange and blue, but then we will explore more. Alright, interactive document editor. For greater confidence using the intuitive visual editor. Next, again there is a query here explaining the plan. Know how your queries are running through an easy to use GUI. that helps you identify and resolve performance issues. So once we see the plan, query performance can be known. The performance summary, visual tree. Alright, next, index management, schema validation can be done, improved CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations, deployment awareness, our query history, so on. Alright, I'll close this one. I'll start using compass. I will just say yes. Paste your connection string, example so and so. We will come back to it a little bit later. Okay, I can say finish. And if we go to taskbar and services tab, we should be able to see MongoDB service. Here MongoDB service is running. This is a service, and we have processes running here. 3 processes are running in a given service. Alright, let's close it, close this one. Alright, that's all in this video. Just to wrap up, we have installed MongoDB on my machine as a network service, and we will further explore more in the next video.